My name is Sam with KC Lawns. I'm about to show you a tool that has absolutely revolutionized my lawn care business. And that tool is the Segway Ninebot S2. In this video, I'm gonna show you 7 reasons why every lawn care pro needs at least one Segway. When I say it saves time, typically whenever I'm trimming a property, it's around 10 to 15 minutes. But whenever I'm riding this thing, it's anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Guys, the next reason why you have to get one of these, because it makes you more money. Once you start getting 50, 60, 70, 80 lawns a week, it's going to be near impossible to be able to take care of all those properties. But it won't be with this guy right here. It saves so much fuel. I'm just walking with it. I've got the trigger down. I'm burning fuel that whole entire time. Imagine if you were going twice as fast, you're going to save fuel. Lawn care is all about efficiency next to quality. This makes lawn care so much more fun. When it comes to trimming and edging, that's the least favorite part of anybody's job. Add a Segway onto it and you get to roll around. The 6th reason, it's original. People are gonna take notice of it. People are gonna ask you about it. People are gonna wanna hire you. Quality. When I walk, I'm going up and down, up and down. Was this right here? You're rolling. Final reason why you have got to get one of these, it saves you energy. Imagine if you were to try to get from all the way over there to all the way over here. In that speed, you'd be running. With the Segway, you don't have to run. 9 out of 10 lawn care professionals should be recommending this. So if you would like one of these, I'm gonna put a description in the link below. You can purchase it on Amazon. I do get a cut, but that just means that I get 3% and China doesn't. Also, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.